Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's trading at what would be the short, and this would be the stop reduction level multiple times. This is very key support. It's just a 50% projection from the left side of the double top. Holding nicely, did not react to the 8. It's looking like we might have a temporary short-term bottom in. We do have some divergences coming in. So you see here, between here and here, price action made a lower low, RSI made a higher low, and it's holding with the rotation zone. We'll be watching for this to return to about the 8,200 level, which is the declining 21 and the prior 50% retracement. And if we get through that, then I'm watching to return to this breakdown level and the declining 50. So anywhere from about 8,400 to 8,450 is going to be very, very key. We can also take a look, if we do press lower, what the next key levels from this decline are. So this pretty much just reinforces the bottom level. If we break down 73.83 to 73.64 is a major cluster. The next target I'd be watching for, if we do rotate back down again, is 75.91. Let's check in. Let me just see how that was the move that started it. This was the move to the high, and that really also reinforces the bottom. So either way you do it, you still get a cluster in the same area. Let me switch over to the daily chart. So you're getting some dip buyers coming in where they bought before, down below the 7,800 level. Looks to be a very key area for the dip buyers. Again, there hasn't been a strong buy pattern there. There's just a divergence setting up, and it's holding that key level. That's why I'm watching for it to return. Now, remember we talked about that 8,400 to 8,450 level. The 8 EMA is right at 8,400, so really focus on that on a rally. And if we do rally through there, then I'd be watching for about 8,693, 8,700 area. So that's really all that's going on in Bitcoin. Nothing really important. We don't have any big ignition moves to watch for yet, and the rotation zone is still against us on the daily and on the 4-hour, although it's getting a little strength, so we're watching for it to return deeper into the rotation zone on the 4-hour. Switching over to Ethereum trading below the March 18th lows, dipping below that down to a 446 level. Last time we were down at that 446 level. Wow, it's been a while. 446. That's back at the about the 8th of December time frame. So pretty long time since we've been there. I'm going to take off some of these other levels that have changed, and we will redraw them later. Just wanted to get this video out to see what we're watching for. So we've already returned to the 8. These can all drop down to also to here. We've returned to the 8, holding sideways. We have some divergences. See lower price action, higher RSI. We're going to be watching for this to get above the 8. If we do get a key close or extended move above 467, we're going to be watching for a return to 482, and then the other end of the rotation zone about 490. So 482 to 490 is going to be very key. If we do not hold this and the 8 catches up and we press lower, now look, we have the reverse scan box and the new levels projected down. We're looking at a major cluster right around 434. Then we have 417 to 423, next key levels down. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart, pretty steep sell-off at this point. So sometime I wouldn't be surprised to see us at least return to somewhere closer to the 8 EMA. Right now that's trading at the 50% retracement. It doesn't have to go there right away. This could easily go lower. But if we do start rallying up, key levels I'd be watching is the 8 coming in was this 37.5% retracement right at the $500 mark. This is, remember, it's going to keep dropping. Price action comes up. I'm going to watch where they meet and then how price action reacts there. Nothing else to really report on with Ethereum. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.